Hey everybody, John Stovall, MarineMax Lake Lanier. You've joined me today on one of the hottest new boats from Saxdor. This is a Saxdor 320 GTC. This is the enclosed cabin version of the 320 GTO that we've reviewed before. But you join me on the transom with one of the coolest features. You can actually flip this seat back and forth. So if you want to ride facing forward, you can. You got a split bench. You have a nice table as well. Of course, when that one's moved out of the way, it closes completely. Powered by twin Mercury 300 Verados, and a big staple, both sides of the aft cockpit lower down like this side to increase your beam back here. Awesome. Now I'm going to move forward into the salon. So notice opening glass door, two opening side windows, and an opening hardtop table. Nice settee area. And twin helm chairs with bolsters. Now to port side, when you walk in here, you have your stove and your sink, storage cabinet, and co-captain's chair with your AC and DC panel as well. JL audio stereo, this boat rocks. Twin Simrad dashes, joystick and bow thruster, zip weight control, and your anchor windlass control at the helm as well. And this is also enclosed, so you have air vents for heating and cooling throughout the boat. Now down in the cabin, you have a nice size berth here and a head with a closing door. Twin refrigerators up here in the salon too, I forgot to mention. Now follow me through the door. Huge sun pad up here, nice easy walkaway all the way around the boat on both sides, and your windlass locker. Appreciate you taking the time. Please visit us at www.marinemax.com.